If you want to grow your Amazon FBA business, if you do online arbitrage, you need to really get some crazy knowledge. You need to find some super niche website that nobody's sourcing, find some crazy gift card. It's not true. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not true. And it is a narrative that people have been trying to push, which is absolutely not true. In today's video, we are going to look at a couple of tweets that I saw the other day. And I'm going to tell you what I think about it. And I'm going to tell you the truth about how to actually grow an Amazon business. Because at the end of the day, all this bullshit is not true. It's just bullshit to push you to buy some stuff, all right? And I'm selling some stuff myself, right? I'm selling some stuff myself. I'm selling a mentorship. I'm selling software. I'm selling a target list. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you, like I'm not going to use those strategies to try to sell you this stuff because it's absolutely not true. And I'm going to tell you the truth in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, right? 100% free. You can grow a business just by watching all my videos. You can become a seven-figure seller, all right? A seven-figure seller. So yeah, subscribe and like this video so you get more videos. So the tweets that I wanted to react are it's a tweet from Arbitrage apps. And then there's some other stuff in right below that I want to talk about. By the way, you saw my Twitter right there on the left, on the right of your screen. I don't know on which side it is. Follow me on Twitter. There's going to be a giveaway pretty soon. So and I'm starting to be more active on Twitter. So it's the perfect time to follow me, right? But whatever. Let's read the tweet. An Amazon business built off information that is free and accessible to thousands of people will not be in business long. Free on gates, flips, suppliers, etc. all become saturated. Saturation means unprofitability. Free info is a great place to get started, but you need to take it many steps beyond that. Terrible, free Nike on gate and sourcing a Nike.com sale. Bad, free Nike on gate and sourcing local outlet for original product. Good, free Nike on gate and sourcing a niche site that still has a discontinued product in stock. And this is the stuff that I'm talking about, you know, this is the stuff that I'm talking about. I'm going to show you it's not that, I'm going to explain to you, it's not that, you do not need to go that deep to run an online arbitrage business. And then great, understanding why the Nike on gate worked, finding a brand that is unknown, using your knowledge to get ungated and selling a completely unsaturated product, right? And then there are some couple of comments that I wanted to go over, especially this comment. It's not just because accessing free information, but leverage. It's not just about, accessing free information, but leveraging it innovatively and strategically to find unique opportunities. And then especially this one, exactly. The reason my mentorship program exists and why the price is so high. Knowledge nobody else has is the most valuable kind. And this is all bullshit. So first of all, I want to say, I've heard a lot of great things about arbitrage apps. Apparently, it's a great community. However, I do not agree with this tweet at all, right? And where don't I agree? First of all, this tweet, yeah, I don't even know where to start with this. You know, like they are trying to make it seem like you need some crazy knowledge to some hidden knowledge to run an online arbitrage business. It's not, all right? And I'm just going to establish the basics. You just need to do the basics over and over again and become really good at the basics to run an online arbitrage business. You do not need any secret strategies that nobody knows of. You already know all the strategies. Storefront stalking, manual sourcing, build your target list or get my target list $1 a day. Source them over and over and over again. Run some search on tactical arbitrage. That's all you need to do. If you want to find profitable products, that's all you need to do. There's nothing else. There's literally nothing else. And you do not need to be sourcing some crazy website, some super niche website. You just need to keep building on the basics. And if you actually look at what I did with my business, this is exactly what I've been. For example, when I talk about the target list, which is a list of sales that you are going to look for the day, this is my Twitter, follow me. This is what my first target list were looking like in September 2022, you know? This is literally what it was looking like and what actually helped me become better at online arbitrage. And this is why one of my first videos was telling you guys to actually do this, because this is what is going to help you a lot, right? This is what it looked like. I just kept iterating and building upon that to now get this list built by my VAs every single day with more than 1,000 sales. So if you look at it right there, I had like 10, 15, sometimes 16 sales a day to look at. Right now I have like thousands of sales to look at every single day, you know, because just my VA are building it. If you want to get it, it's just $1 a day. get it. It's a link in the description. It gets delivered to your email every single day. But it's just building and iterating on what I was already doing and going deeper and having more coverage on what I was already doing. It's not about some secret knowledge. It's the exact same thing. If you actually look at it, the way I've been running my business is the exact same since the beginning. It's just that it's been it's running with more leverage right now because I have people building this shit for me that is even more that is covering way more ground, pretty much, right? So it's not about some secret knowledge. It's just about doing the basics over and over again, right? And so regarding this, free on gates, flips. I mean, free on gates, I guess. Like, guys, you're not gonna pay to get ungated, all right? Flips, suppliers, and yeah, it's just something that I've been saying. Like, you need to be able to source by yourself. That's it. You do not need some crazy knowledge. You just need to source a lot of stuff, source a lot of websites, source over and over again, and you're gonna find some easy loops. If we are being 100% honest, because the truth is that they are trying to make it seem like they're doing some crazy shit, like understanding why the Nike ungates work. I mean, you understand why an ungate works. You just need to resubmit it over and over again, right? Finding a brand that is unknown, it's you can make a ton of money from selling Nike stuff, right? Which is listed right here. But free Nike ungate and sourcing local outlet for original products. I mean, you're not going to do a paid Nike ungate anyway. So I don't understand where they're going what they're going with like this. But you know, like, I mean, one of the biggest thing that you can literally look at 7-figure sellers that are on YouTube, and a lot of what they are selling is Nike, okay? Because Nike is a great brand. I'm not saying that it's the only brand, but you can, and they are trying to make it seem like you need to find some niche brand that nobody knows about, some shit that, like, some crazy strategy, some niche website. You don't, okay? If you are being 100% honest, just yesterday, I bought like 200 units of something, of a product that you potentially use yourself every single day at a supplier that everybody knows of and that you've been for yourself. Maybe if you haven't purchased stuff for online arbitrage over there, you've been there. 100% you've been there. You do not need some crazy unknown source. You do not need some crazy unknown leads. It's not how it works. You just need to find the leads that sells fast and buy a lot of them and sell them. That's it. That's literally the business. You do not need to make it more complicated than that. All right. And regarding this is exactly the reason why, like, at the end of the day, like, and same thing here. It's not just about accessing free information, but leveraging it innovatively. You absolutely do not need to be innovative. You do not need it. Like, you guys are just smelling your farts and like trying to act like it's some it's some exquisite shit. It's not. Okay. It's absolutely not. It's just like, you do not need to be innovative. You just need to do this shit over and over again. Look at sales, source some sales, run some search on tactical arbitrage, do some storefront stalking the right way. That's it. That's literally it. And then you plug people to do this stuff, to do this stuff for you, and you don't have enough time to do it. You get some VAs, they will do it for you. That's it. That's the whole business. You do not need to innovate. You absolutely do not need to innovate with your strategies. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. What you are doing right now, if you're already efficient at doing it, you just need to do it more. That's it. If you're not efficient enough, you just need to get more efficient. And I have a ton of videos on how to actually do this. It's not about some secret prison. Of course, it's actually easier to sell you guys on the fact that there are some secret stuff, and it's not. There's no secret strategies. There's no secret website. There's no secret suppliers, okay? There's none of that. You just need to get your systems, okay? To look at websites, to look at sales, look at more websites, look at more sales. And you could literally, like, to be honest, you could make a full-time income just by sourcing 2 to 3 suppliers. Even just with 1 supplier, you could do it, if I'm being 100% honest. But, like, there's no secret pill. You just need to do the work over and over again. That's it. No secret website. There's no secret strategies that are going to fix your business. There's nothing close to that. It's just, and I will repeat it once again, it's just you looking at sales. So, first of all, get a target list, okay? Build your own. If you do not want to get mine, I have a free ebook in the description, okay? It's the free sourcing course that will tell you how to build this, all right? So you literally have no excuse. You literally have zero excuse. Either you get my ebook that teach you, and it's free. Okay, it's 100% free. That teaches you how to do this. And you spend 2 hours a day doing this shit. Okay, 2 hours a day doing this shit. And if you want to get the same exact one as this, you're going to need to work full time. It's not 2 hours a day. You're going to need to work full time, right? But you get something smaller, you work 2 hours a day, you get it, all right? Or you get mine, you pay $1 a day instead of working 2 to 3 hours a day, and you go work at McDonald's, you pocket $15 because you work at minimum wage, and then you just pay $1 to get this delivered to your inbox every single morning. You can look at this every single morning. You look at all the sales that are currently going for the day. You select the sales. You source them, and you do this over and over again. That's it. That's the first thing that you need to do, okay? Either you get mine or you get you build it yourself, okay? That's the first thing. Second thing, you do a lot of storefront stalking, okay? You do a lot of storefront stalking manually, and then if you want to help, I have a solution for that as well. You go to Arbitrage Stalker, and it gives you all the new products. I have a ton of videos on Arbitrage Stalker, but it's going to help you do some storefront stalking as well, okay? Third thing, you're going to need to run some search on tactical arbitrage, or it's not necessary, but it's going to help you, and that's it. You just look at a lot of products. A few of them are going to be profitable. That's it. That's all you have to do. There's nothing else. And then you delegate this stuff to VAs. That's literally it. That's literally the formula. There's nothing else. There's no crazy strategies, okay? And of course, you need to add websites, and we constantly look for new websites to add, but we already track like 600-700 websites, I believe. So of course, you need to add new websites over and over again. You need to discover new websites. Just if you want to discover new websites, super easy. You just go, for example, on Rakuten.com. You look at all the websites that are on Rakuten, and you look at every single website where you can potentially buy inventory. You start subscribing to their email newsletter. You try to find, you look at all the sneaker store in your city. You look at if it's some chains, and you actually look if they have a website that you can order from. Same thing, you subscribe to them and you start tracking those websites. That's it. It's just as simple as that. It's simple in theory, it's simple, but it's not easy to do. That's the thing. The concept is simple. This is literally what you have to do. It's literally 4 steps. Is it easy to implement every single day? No, you just need to do the boring work over and over and over and over again. And this is what you're too scared to actually realize. You're too scared to actually have to do the work every single day. And because of that, you're doing some bullshit like this, all right? So, and you are falling for some bullshit like this, and you are paying guys like the other guys, like apparently crazy amount to get into the mentorship. You do not need to do that, okay? A mentorship, what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to speed up the rate at which you are going to learn, all right? That's it. That's the only thing that it's supposed to do. You're not supposed to learn some crazy strategies, because you're not going to learn some crazy strategies. At the end of the day, if I give you the crazy strategies to source, if I give you my exact strategy to source, you need to be able to develop your own process, okay? And if we actually look at it, I don't have some crazy strategies. I don't have any crazy strategies at all, okay? This is not what it is about, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.